Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode of Vanper Lifestylez. Just wanted to do a little update video. Bring y'all along on this journey. Was just out taking a few night photos tonight. Looking for a place to camp out afterward. Kind of got a little spot in mind, a little hidden gem that I've got access to post up and camp out for the night. But yeah, basically I haven't been able to upload videos and post them as frequently as I'd like. I am currently in the process of getting a few done that I have, but I'm having some technical issues going on with my computer. Basically, it's getting outdated. It's a 09 MacBook Pro, and I've had more memory added to it. I've had a faster processor put into it, a solid state drive, but my startup disk is now became full once again, and I've got a couple external hard drives now I'm working on trying to get them set up, so hopefully I can free up a little bit of space and squeeze a little bit of more time out of it rather, because I've got a lot of money invested to that one right now, and the new ones are a little different. Not sure how I'd like them. I kind of like sticking to things I already have and just keeping it simple, but yeah, I gotta figure something out, because I've got quite a decent amount of footage from a few trips I've went on, a few places I've visited, traveled to, so just wanted to update y'all on that. So I will be getting them posted once I'm able to edit them. So in the meantime, I'm just kind of working with my camera and just doing like a quick edit on iMovie on my iPhone, actually. So it works. It's quite simple. It's kind of all you need. Really, in a way, it's the simpler the better, but it's like once you get used to one thing, it's kind of easier to stick with that one thing because you know it. So it's a whole learning process every time, which is good, but just takes more time consuming. So yeah, in the meantime, that's what I'm going to be doing, and just wanted to do this video. Like I said, I was out doing some night photography, so figured I'd get this posted up here. So almost up to a place where I'm gonna get a couple shots at first. Check that place out. deer over there. Once we pulled in, he was there chilling. Try to get a photo of him. So yeah, got a few night photos, a couple pretty cool ones. Just enjoying the night. Actually got a cool picture of a deer as I pulled up to this little secluded spot that I think I'm gonna camp out for the night. So yeah, basically, like I said, I was just doing this video as like an update video because I've been dealing with a lot of technical issues between my computer being full and then just trying to figure out this update with my other camera. And the biggest problem that I wanted to address is I went to upload my last video, and as I went to upload it, it was saying that the Higbee Beach video, I hope everybody got to see. If you didn't, I'm sorry, and I'll probably be doing another one on that next time I get down that way. But yeah, apparently that got deleted. So what happened is I was going to upload my last video where I was actually out doing some nature photo shooting early one morning. Check that video out. That one's still posted. But when I went to post it, there was like a glitch or an error going on with YouTube, and it was showing that that was being uploaded 2 times, which it wasn't. And it was also showing that the last video of Higbee Beach was being uploaded. So I had clicked cancel on the last video that I was actually uploading, and then I clicked on the Higbee Beach video and clicked cancel, thinking it was uploading again for some reason off of my computer, and it actually deleted the video from YouTube. And due to the lack of storage space on my computer, like I was saying, I had deleted the footage from it, being as I'd already had posted it on YouTube. So when I went to repost it, it was missing the footage and wasn't able to play. So yeah, lost that video of Higbee Beach, so I hope you got to see it. everyone that did. I appreciate all the comments on it. It was a really nice day that day, so I hope you all got to see it. And like I said, if not, I'll be posting another one on it the next time I go there. But yeah, I'm currently in the middle of doing a couple other videos from a few other places I'd visit and camped out at. But in the meantime, I just wanted to do this short little update and let y'all know what happened to the Higbee Beach video, and then also why I haven't been able to upload and post videos as frequently as I'd like. So them videos are there and they will be coming. I'm working on getting all the bugs worked out now. So this video, like I said, was just out trying to get a few cool night shots, so figured I'd do a little video of it and update everybody on what happened to the Higbee Beach video. It wasn't anything to do with YouTube, it was just a common error. There was, like I said, a glitch going on with it, and I didn't realize that when I clicked cancel, it was actually deleting the video from YouTube, which didn't really make any sense, but apparently there's no way to get that back now. So, total loss. But there'll be more footage to come, hopefully a lot better content. So hope everybody's safe out there as we're slowly starting to get through this pandemic. And stay tuned for more episodes of Vanper Lifestylez. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps out the channel, and I definitely appreciate all the support. There's a link in the description below if you'd like to donate to the channel. All the donations are appreciated. I thank everyone who has donated, and it helps keep the channel going and helps create better content. So I'll give you a quick little update tour on the couple new things that I got for the box here. Not really much, still just using the basic assembly. Right now it's a little messy. I got all my camera gear scattered all over the place and laptop and everything out. But picked up this really cool teak floor mat to throw outside, kick your feet off on. It's really nice. And as you can tell with all the curtains, it's kind of hard to back up this thing, so don't want to back into anything or anyone. So I got this new head unit installed. It's Bluetooth Pioneer. Has the apps on it, so it brings up your maps, backup camera, answer your phone, all that fancy stuff. You can even watch YouTube videos on it if you're parked up and want to check them out. So everything's working out great so far with the setup. Yeah, I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I'm basically going to go through these photos and edit up this video and get it posted up for y'all to watch. Thanks for coming along on the journey. See you on the next adventure. Everyone stay safe. Have a great night. Peace.